Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we are going to know about tracing the electrical circuit of a frost-free refrigerator.
Objectives. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify the electrical circuit of a frost-free refrigerator. Trace the electrical circuit of a frost-free refrigerator. Dismantle all electrical parts in a frost-free refrigerator. Ensure that all electrical parts of the frost-free refrigerator are in a good condition. Use a clamp meter or tongue tester to check all electrical parts of the frost-free refrigerator. Let us now take a look at the tools, equipment, and consumables needed for tracing the electrical circuit of a frost-free refrigerator. Tools, equipment, and consumables. Trainees Tools Kit, tongue tester or clamp meter, cutting plier, screwdriver, test lamp, voltmeter and ammeter, knife, defective frost-free refrigerator, insulation tape, multi-core wire 3 meters, wire clip, cotton waste. Now, let us see the preparations needed for tracing the electrical circuit of a frost-free refrigerator. Task 1. Dismantling of all electrical parts from frost-free refrigerator. Ensure the refrigerator is completely unplugged from the power source before starting any dismantling work. Wear safety gloves and goggles to protect against sharp edges or electrical hazards. Refer to the refrigerator's schematic diagram to identify the locations of various electrical components such as the compressor, fans, and control boards. Some components might be behind panels or covers, depending on the refrigerator model. To access internal components, carefully unscrew or unclip the outer panels. Take note of the positions of screws or clips and keep them organized for reassembly. Start the process of disconnecting electrical connectors from various components. Remove the compressor relay clip and relay. Note down the colors of wires while removing. Remove relay wire and junction wire, paying attention to their connections. Unscrew and remove the thermostat switch, noting its position and connections. Unscrew the fan blade and remove the freezer fan motor. Remove the light switch and light holder along with bulbs. Unscrew and remove the timer switch and strip heater wire only. Organize all dismantled components systematically for the checking process. Ensure that you have all the necessary checking kits ready for examining the components. Now, let us see the process for tracing electrical circuit of frost-free refrigerator. Task 2. Checking all electrical parts removed from frost-free refrigerator by clamp meter or tongue tester. Use protective gear. Wear safety gloves and goggles to protect against potential hazards. Understand the clamp meter's function and settings for measuring resistance, continuity, and voltage. Arrange all the electrical components removed from the refrigerator in a clean and organized workspace. Set the clamp meter to the continuity test mode. Touch the probes together to ensure the clamp meter is functioning and emits a sound or indicates continuity. Compressor inspection. For the compressor, set the clamp meter to measure resistance. Connect the clamp meter to the compressor terminal and check for continuity. Connect the black lead to the compressor top terminal C and the red lead of the meter unit to compressor R terminal. The meter should show ohms. Without removing the black lead, touch the red wire to the compressor S terminal. This will give starting winding ohms. Without removing the black lead, touch the red wire to the compressor body. If you get ohms, the compressor motor is burnt out. Otherwise, winding is okay in normal condition. Refer to the refrigerator manual or technical specifications for the expected resistance values. If the reading significantly deviates from the expected values, the compressor might be faulty. Check the relay. Inspect light holders and light switch. Defrost heater and thermostat inspection. Check the defrost heater and thermostat, setting the clamp meter to resistance mode. Check the resistance across the terminals of each component. Compare the measured resistance with the specified range in the manual. Any significant deviation from the specified range might indicate a faulty part. Fan motors inspection. For condenser and evaporator fan motors, set the clamp meter to resistance mode. Check the cooling coil fan motor. Place the probes on the motor's terminals and check the resistance. Again, refer to the manual for expected resistance values. A reading significantly different from the expected value might indicate a faulty motor. Check timers for visible signs of damage, burnt marks, or bulging capacitors. Use the clamp meter to test for continuity across different points on the board as per the schematic diagram. Recap.
In this topic, we came to know about how to
identify the electrical circuit of a frost-free refrigerator. Trace the electrical circuit of a frost-free refrigerator. Dismantle all electrical parts in a frost-free refrigerator. Ensure that all electrical parts of the frost-free refrigerator are in a good condition.
I hope you all understood the process of tracing the electrical circuit in a frost-free refrigerator. Thank you, students, and let's meet in the next session. Bye.